Use special discount code TRAFFICLAUNCH for an additional discount during launch week only. Learn and earn. Use this information in your business and also sell this high-demand product as your own with the included PLR rights. Every website and product offer needs traffic. But getting high-quality traffic can be complicated. Not anymore. Introducing the Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop. Learn how to grow your own business with high-converting traffic. Improve conversions and sales with higher quality traffic. After you have read the materials, you can sell this ebook as your own with the included PLR rights. Knowing how to get high-converting traffic is a valuable skill for every business owner. Traffic generation is the #1 priority for all online businesses. No traffic equals no sales. Low introductory price. Let me ask you, does this sound familiar? I have been involved in online marketing for over 20 years. And over those 20 years I made a ton of mistakes. Mostly when it came to getting quality traffic to my sites and offers. I cannot tell you how many hours I spent going after the wrong traffic and getting horrible results. And don't even get me started on how much money I wasted either. I almost quit out of frustration, but fortunately I didn't. Instead I met a man who told me to stop doing what I was doing and to instead approach traffic generation differently. I followed his advice, and in my next launch I made over $4,000 in just 5 days, and did even better in my next 2 launches. And since then I have never looked back. And the best part is that it was dead easy to get the traffic I needed when I needed it. Even more important, I no longer waste my valuable time and money doing things that will never give me the results I need in my business. Instead, I spend my time doing more with my grandchildren, traveling and just doing more of what I want to do in my life. Life is all about having choices and options, and my online business has given me both. It's a great feeling. One you can have in your life too. Learn how to get the quality traffic you need to sell your products and services. Here's a summary of the benefits of Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop. Here is why Insight Series manuals will be a great product to help you in your business. Critical information. Understanding how to generate high-converting traffic is an extremely important skill. Completely original. Every word written by us. Completely original content not available anywhere else. Works with any business. This works with any business or product. If you sell online, this information can help you. Valuable information. Every online business or affiliate marketer needs quality traffic for their pages and offers. Introducing the brand new Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop. The Insight Series manuals help anyone create and develop an online business that will compete effectively in any niche with any product. Traffic Generation Workshop shows you how to get high-quality and targeted traffic to your pages and offers. Traffic that will convert to sales. Traffic is the lifeblood of every online business. The more quality traffic you get to your pages, the more sales your business will make. You will love Insight Series Traffic Generation Workshop because gives you the information you need to compete. Get higher quality traffic to your pages and offers. Learn which types of traffic to avoid like the plague. Spend less for higher quality traffic. Works in any niche or with any product. Improve conversions with higher quality traffic. PLR rights allow you to sell this as your own. Priced extremely low during this launch period.